So we're going to have our first Mexican driving lesson, and this is the free parallel highway that seems to go parallel to the toll road, which is probably nicer. This isn't bad, it's just kind of strange. So as you can see, everybody drives on the shoulder, which makes it effectively a three-lane road. In the middle lane, which is like the yellow, the middle, is for passing, which actually works really well. You know, for a two-lane highway, it's kind of, there's no shoulder. Very unusual. And so everybody's driving on the shoulder. Alright, so we decided to get on the toll road and throw on some Calexico, which is the only tape I have in my tape collection that I have any interest in. I don't actually have, there's a fancy post-market, absurdly gangster type of CD system with a TV I don't have any use for. I'm kind of hoping I can trade it for a water pump or some kind of repairs if necessary at some point if I need it. I don't care about a TV. Anyway, so this is the toll road. They haven't paid me yet, asked me to pay yet, but that's it's like the frontage road is free, and then this is like a regular freeway, and apparently it's got a toll. I'm sure it is. Though maybe it isn't. I'm sure it is. I don't know. Monterrey in 2 horas. Bueno.